Well, look who got a new background. Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, today we're going to be talking about sharing with you the honeybee shop. It is the Babe Box for May. And sit back, relax, and while we get to it, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. So yeah, so let's check this out. So here's the whole package, and new background, new me, guys. New background, new me. Sorry, all the paper. So first of all, in the Babe Box, we get paper. So I'm just going to kind of outline the paper. It's double-sided. It's a ton of paper. Girl, I don't even use this much paper. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I will make stuff. I just get really lazy. I'm more of a sticker person. So you see these beautiful shells. Look at it. It's teal, pink, and purple. And then there's some octopus at the back. Beautiful, stunning, all hand doodled by Shan. But no, I have so much scrapbook paper. So my plan is to start using it, do card making, make envelopes, things like that. Here is the other paper, some really cute mercats, octopus, and I love the tail. It says, I want to be where the people aren't. That's right. I want to be where the people aren't. And then here's the back. Gorgeous floral, underwater theme. And here is some purple mermaid scales. And there's some white iridescent, well, not iridescent, but it's supposed to come off as if it's sparkly. And at the back is beautiful. You know when you look at water? Oh, this is just so calming. I love it. And here's the double sides. So that's great. You get double sides of paper. Then what you get with the Babe Box this month is, I'm going to save that one for last. Something so cool. So cool. So here is the card, and it says, May Babe Box. Thank you for subscribing to the Babe Box. And this is what you get. You can pause the video. Check it out. So lots of fun stuff. And look at this journaling card. How cool. Make your story so beautiful. Mermaids have trouble believing. It's true. I just want to cry. It's so cute. So there's that. I'm going to leave that there. Number 1. Holy moly. We get some hollow foil pockets. I am so glad. So you got some adhesive pockets. And they look like this. You get three of them. And look at that hollow foil. Love it. This one has seashells and these ones have bows. I use them all the time. They're in my mini happy planner. I did put one in my passion planner, which is my work planner. Oh, sorry. There's so much glare. Sorry, not sorry. Leave that over there. Then we got some hollow seashells. What? Look how pretty. Oh my. And look at the packaging. Really upping their game. Honeybee shop. Yes. And you get 2 of these inside. There's a different... Oh, wait a second. There's a different pattern behind it. So you get seashells. Gorgeous. Nice glossy paper. And then we get bows. Hollow bows. And then you got this, and you can probably use it as a journaling card. Love that. Wowzers. Love, love, love. Also in the honeybee shop, here is another journaling card. And it says, letters to my exes. Sounds about right. I love it. So cool. So awesome. I love all the sass. Okay, what's super cool about this is you get sort of a faux Hobo Nietzsche looking memo notebook. I'm going to actually turn this into my own Hobo Nietzsche. I know there were a couple planner girls on Instagram just asking, what should I use this for? And I was also thinking about when mine came in, what would I use it for? So I think I'm going to make it into my own Hobo Nietzsche for my purse, and I love the grid paper. I love graph paper, you guys. It is just, everything just looks so much more cleaner. So yeah, I'm gonna make my own faux Hobo Nietzsche with this, and I wonder, can it fit in my traveler's notebook? Something to think about. I'm pretty sure it can. It'll just be maybe a little bit smaller. So yeah, you get that. Also in this kit, you get not one washi tape, you get 2 washi tapes, you guys. You get 2 gorgeous mermaid washi tapes, and they're both gradient. Sorry, they're both gradient colors, and holy moly, I can't wait. Look at that, there are the waves. I love these colors. I can't wait to decorate my chunky and my passion planner. I can't wait. This is perfect for summer. So, so perfect. All right, next we get, actually here, let's talk about this. So you get a mermaid tail, which kind of freaks me out a little bit. I don't know why, but it is so pretty, and it's purple. I hope it can focus. Are you gonna focus? I don't think it's gonna focus. So you get this mermaid tail pen, and it's really like flippy floppy, and that's what the tip looks like. It is awesome because I love writing with a thin fine liner like this. It is perfect. Everything just comes out so much more cleaner. So you get a really nice mermaid pen, and let's put it that way. Then, oh my gosh, you guys, we get a hollow planner pouch, a pencil case, and all your goodies fit inside. And do you hear that? It's a shaker, and inside the shaker there are seashells. Everything is so like magical. Oh my gosh, don't you just want to be a mermaid? At least I just kind of want to be a mermaid. I've been obsessed with mermaids. Little Mermaid is my favorite Disney movie. I've been obsessed for the longest time. I remember begging my parents to get me the VHS, and then this was like in the 1990s where, you know, VHS, once it's out, then it's gone. So then years later it came out again, so I grabbed it. I have it on DVD, and I've watched all the Little Mermaid movies. So yeah. Anyways, you get a really cute planner pouch. Here is a loop. You can, I don't know, you can kind of clip it onto something or add more charms. And it's a really generous size. So I love it. I've never seen a pouch so like just on point. This is a nice pouch. Finally, 2 last things. Let's talk about this month's Babe Box. We have finally gotten a lot of die cuts, you guys. So when Babe Box came out, you can subscribe to the skin color, okay? And that's really nice, really generous. This time, okay, let's just flip through it. So first we got some really nice flowers. And then we got this girl with her message in a bottle hand. Love the hand. So cute. And then you get another one in a different skin tone. And then the other one somewhere else. And then you get the last skin tone, which is the lighter skin tone, which is going to show up about, I'm failing at this now. So that's really nice of Shan. Like, she has given us now all 3 skin tones, which is awesome. Look at this little cute octopus. She's so cute, and her lashes are just flaky. And then look at this hollow octopus. So this month's die cuts are just really milking everything. Hollow, you get all the complexions. I am dead. Look at this mercat, so sweet, just meowing away. This is so adorable. Look at that, really nice. And then there you go, there are your 3 complexions. Obviously there's more in between, but that's okay, because this gives you a pretty good generous idea, and thank you so much, Honeybee Shop and Shan. Like, it is so hard. Me and my friend were actually talking about this a few days ago, just about planner shops not thinking about other complexions and things like that. Look at this flower. That's gorgeous. And here's another hand. And then here's a beautiful seafoam green. Legit seafoam. What does this say? It says, oh, I want to be where the people aren't. And there it is in hollow foil. I love the quality of these die cuts. They are just stunning. You're my cup of tea. And here's another hand. And then, oh my gosh, you used to call me on my shell phone. Nice. So nice. And that's it. No, it's not it, you guys. Yeah, you thought that was it, but that's not it, because Honeybee Shop is hooking us up. We are getting something so cool. I hope this is included in every single kit. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be canceling my Planner Society subscription. I'm just gonna wait for the next one, and then after that, that's the last one, because they're about the same price for shipping coming to Canada, so I rather just get the Babe Box. So this is the Mermaid sticker book, you guys. We got a sticker book. It is a book. It is a book with pages, like a book filled with stickers, okay? It is a book. Not just sheets, it is a legit book. Wow, Shan. Honeybee Shop. Look what's inside. So we're gonna get some full boxes, some half boxes, headers, icons, deco sheets, checklists, functionals, tabs and deco, and then there it is. If you're interested, go cop that. So let's flip through it. Look at these, they are amazing. So these are the full boxes. The hollow is alive. You guys, the hollow is alive. Oh my goodness. And then here are the half boxes and check boxes. Wow. And then here are those functional headers. I love using these in my Chunky Mini and my Passion Planner. And then also for just doodling and in my micro planner. These are so functional. You know, when I get a kit, I kind of like to use it for the whole month so nothing is left over. But there are so many goodies, I definitely won't get through it. And some of it I probably want to hoard and keep forever. So that's amazing. And you get the digitals, you guys. You get the digital files. So that's awesome. So if you want to make your own stickers, or if you want to add your name to one of her graphics and create your own dashboards, you get that too. And here are the hollow shell check boxes. The colors are unreal. They are lilac, some deep purples, fuchsias, pink, seafoam, green, sort of a baby blue, sea blue. I suck at color names. And then we get some tabs. Holy, do you see that? So we got some tabs if you have, maybe if you want to make your own dashboards and things like that. How amazing, how functional, how thoughtful, okay? Legit, how thoughtful, thinking about us. So you guys, this is what you get when you subscribe to the Babe Box. You get a ton of stuff, lots of goodies. This is not paid for, by the way. This is me buying stuff with my own money. But I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. And I love mermaids. Thank you so much, Honeybee Shop. This is just legit, like, out of this world. So if you're interested, I'll leave some information below. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Please, please, please tag me in photos if you use the Babe Box and how you use it. I would love to be inspired and see how you incorporate it into your planner. I like to just kind of use things here and there.